Hey guys, it's Key. It's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning into another video. If you can't hear, I'm eating some good breakfast. I'm getting ready for the market to open. But thanks for tuning in. And today is day 25 of the Small Account Challenge. This is going to be a live trading session. I'm only going to take one trade, and afterwards, I'm going to see you guys on the flip side. But yeah, if I find a setup, I will be turning this back on to lock in. And while you're waiting, please smash that subscribe button and please smash that like button. Okay? Thank you. Looking to take a trade on Nvidia again. So we'll see. It look like I want to go. See, this one I might have to hold a little bit longer than usual. I want to see if we could get a nice little pullback. Can we get a good pullback? I'd like a better pullback. Just trying to catch the timing. I think we do have some support over here. Okay, so when I'm about to enter, then I'll start this recording back over. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna jump in at 1250 or 1260. That would be my entry. Okay, I took an entry. See how this plays out. Okay. Nice snap. I like it when it works as soon as possible. So let's see how much we could get out of this. At least 100. That'd be great. If we get 100, I'll take some profit. I'll take some profit and then leave the rest to break even, potentially. So let's try to sell half. And we get that break. Actually, no, not yet. Let's see if we can get 100. Come on, let's get 100. I'm resisting up there. Yeah, there's some resistance. I might take profit. Let's see. Let's see how this one plays out. Come on, let's go. Yeah, there's some resistance up here. Okay, so I took half. Oh, yeah, I took half. Okay, actually, no, I didn't. I don't know why that rejected it, but I'll sell half. Hold up, I think I have some technical difficulty again. Hold on, I have to reset my thing. I know it's good to be up while this is happening, but if it was in the other direction, that would have not been pretty. But anyway, let's see. We have NVIDIA. About 80. I'll just sell the rest. 93. That was very disrespectful. Very, very disrespectful, but 93 on the day. Not gonna complain. I forgot, I think I was up like $120. And then we got that dip right here, but guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. I don't know why is this happening. Maybe the market is too volatile, but as you can see, I made $93 on the day. And that's it. Wow, sober popped. But yes, I'm gonna tune out, guys. I'm gonna take another trade. If you guys like the content, please like, subscribe to the channel. And if the more people I see that's liking it, I might extend my trading, my live trading a little bit longer so you guys could see me trade a little bit longer. So thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, Key Life Traded. I'm out. Peace.